What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I want to talk about the best way of making the most when you are investing in even a stock or crypto. Okay, since I mostly cover crypto in here, I'm going to talk about crypto and how you guys I'm going to rank what I prefer to do and I think is the best way, and go down to the least favor for having like strategy of making money. Okay, the first one, before that, if you like this kind of content, please like the video and subscribe so you do not miss any of my videos. The first one is macro trading. What do I mean by that? Macro trading means if a coin goes to the bottom, the least, like the lowest point, and is the cheapest, right? And you guys know that coin is a good coin, okay? You buy some of that coin. Of course, you don't want to put all your money in one basket, okay? You always want to have at least 10, 15, 20 type of coins that you want to invest in. Even if you have $1,000, okay? You get even $20, $50, as if you guys want to know more about my strategy, I talk about it in my membership videos. So, and when it goes, of course, you guys need to watch Bitcoin very closely, because Bitcoin, once it starts crashing, you need to forget about your coin pumping. We have seen a lot of coins pumping during the bear market. Like in the last bear market, I remember Quantum, I think, yeah, Quantum. Started from like 1 or 2 cents, and it's now like hundreds of dollars. I don't know what the price is exactly, but I remember Quantum made millionaires. Okay, I'm not telling you to buy this coin. This is just an example. I don't even own any of that coin, but that's just a good example. Although Bitcoin was crashing, that coin is still went a lot higher. Okay, but that doesn't happen very often. Okay, that's why you need to make sure that when you get into a coin and follows Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is gonna start crashing, which is very hard to know, but there are indicators that if you guys don't get into hype and you just really honestly use your brain instead of just following the hypes, you will know that Bitcoin has topped out and it's gonna probably crash. So before that, you can sell your coin and wait for lower prices. Of course, as I have mentioned, you should not get out of any of your coins 100%, okay? Because as I said, though, maybe that coin, especially micro cap coins, that you know, there's a high chance of like same thing happening, like the same thing happened to Quantum, right? So it can go a lot higher than where you sold it, okay, during the bear market. So the next one is, and of course, after you sell it, the portion of it, maybe 70%, 80%, or 50% of it, every time it goes lower, you buy back in. Okay, you don't have to wait so long. You're just raising the quantity of your coins. Okay, I've mentioned this in my members video, but this is very important. I would like everybody to know this. Okay, and so the next one that I just micro trading. Micro trading is when you just take more risks to buy and sell within a smaller range of price. Like for example, if Bitcoin is at $40,000, it goes to 42, you sell and wait for it to go back to $40,000. You guys can still make money, but you guys can actually it's very hard, and most of the time it's very time consuming, and I would like to have one big trade and a good successful trade, other than having many small trades that is going to give you a little bit of benefit, okay, or profit. So the next one is going to be futures trading, leveraging, especially high leveraging, high margins. Anything more than 10x of your money is very dangerous. Even 10x. Here's what I explained a lot before about leverage trading, and how it is same as online. It's like online casino of crypto. Okay, so there is a reason that exchanges are doing this against people. So you actually get certain X of your money and start leveraging, and at the end, if you win, if you make money, exchange is gonna have to pay you whatever you're making, right? So in the leverage. But if you are losing, exchange is gonna take your money if you get liquidated. Okay, so So 99.99% of the money, that the chance is on the exchange side. So that means exchange is gonna eventually take your money, same as casinos. For example, you, even if you make like $1,000 today, $10,000 tomorrow, you know, $5,000 the other day, if you are not greedy, you can still make money as long as you use a stop loss, as long as you know when to get in, when you get out. But it's very hard, especially with crypto market. It's very hard. You know, chart analysis could work very different than stock market, because the stock market is based, like the analysis, the chart analysis work much better, other than crypto being mostly on hype. Okay, like for example, stock market, in a stock market, for example, Amazon, in certain date they have an event of giving their sales and like how much they sold, how much their profit was, or how much they lost, and based on that news, price can go up and down, right, every once in a while. But with crypto, you never know, especially the crypto is most of the altcoins are following Bitcoin very closely. Okay, so even if the coin is actually a good coin, but short term, because Bitcoin is dumping, is gonna go down with it, right? For example, Solana, right? Solana went to, up to almost $30 but it is now around like 80 something dollars. Okay, Solana is a good coin, but Bitcoin started dumping and Solana started to follow, right? Same deal. That's why it is very hard to know when to get in, when to get out. Use always a few, you know, limits, the stop limits. And honestly, I do not recommend anybody to do it leverage at all, because price can always just go against what the reverse of what you bet, liquidate you, and still go the same way that you could have made money before getting liquidated. Okay, I hope I can explain it well enough. But leveraging is very bad. Very, yeah, I mean, exchanges are just making tons of thousands, millions of dollars, liquidating people left and right. Okay, so the best way is holding, but you should know when to get out with profit. As long as you are in profit, you should always take profit, so you know that even if the price starts crashing again, you have at least got your original money out, the original investment out, so you know everything is fine. Even if it crashes, with your original investment, you can get back in and buy more coins. Okay, so I hope this is gonna help you guys have a better strategy and have some money management for yourself. Please comment down below what you think about my opinion. These are what I have learned over the years, and honestly, I'm just holding. I have told you guys in my previous video, I have a little bit of altcoins that I have. I mean, they are my favorites. They are micro cap coins. They have very good potential of going a lot higher, and they're gonna pump very hard in the next bull market, and I'm very excited to see that coming. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.